Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss method overriding in Java. Declaring a method in subclass which is already present in parent class is known as method overriding. Overriding is done so the child class can give its own implementation to a method which is already provided by the parent class. In this case, the method in the parent class is called overridden method and the method in the child class is called overriding method. There is a rule: the parent class and child class, both methods must be same, but their implementation different. Means argument, return type and method name must be same in both classes, parent and child. With the help of method overriding, we can implement the runtime polymorphism in Java. Let's see with practical. Click on the file and new. Take a Java project. Dialog box will display here. Need to write my project name. Simply write my project name as a method overriding. Okay, and click on the next. And then finish. My project is displayed under Package Explorer. Simply explore my project and then right click on the src. Take new and class. A dialog box will display here and simply need to write my class name and simply I am giving my class name as a class 1. Select the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Class 1 is created here successfully with the main method, and then again right click on the src, pop-up display, click on the new and take another class. Need here to write my class and simply giving my class name as a Maruti. Uncheck means I don't have check the public static void main method stuff because I have already taken in the class 1. Then click on the finish. Maruti class is successfully created here, and then going to create a method public void display, and within the body part I am simply write here the system.out.println terminated with semicolon. Okay, and here within double quote I am going to giving a message. This is Maruti. Save it. Okay, my Maruti class is created here with the display method. And the display method simply print the message, this is Maruti. Again right click on the src folder, new, and create a class. Here we need to write my class name and simply I am giving my class name as Steam. I don't check the public static void main method because I have already taken in the class 1. So click on the finish and simply my Steam class is successfully created here, and extend the Maruti class and copy and paste the display method. And then paste it and save it. Okay, there is problem in my eclipse, so again save it and again open the Steam class. Okay, no problem. Paste it and extend the Maruti. Okay, and save it. Okay, and simply write here the Steam and again save it. Look here, the Steam class extend the Maruti class and override the display method into the Steam class of the Maruti class display method. This method is called the overridden reading method, and the child class method is called the overriding method, and save it. Again, right click on the src, take a new class, giving my class name as Gen. Finish. Okay, Gen is created here, and extend the Maruti class, and copy and paste the display method, save it. There is eclipse problem, but no problem. Again, open the Gen and paste it, and extend the Maruti class, save it, and write here the message Gen, and save it. Look here, Maruti is the parent class of the Steam and child class. Maruti class contains the display method, and the display method redefined different implementation from the Maruti class. Steam class give the body part of the display according to their need, and the Gen is the also parent class, a child class of the Maruti class. So it also redefine the display method here, and give their implementation according to their needs, and this is the display method of the parent class. This method is overridden method. Steam is the child class of the Maruti class, and display method redefined here, and same here. And come inside the class 1 and create the object of the Maruti class, M equal new Maruti, and calling the method m.display, and press enter. Steam equal new Steam. With the help of Steam object, I am calling the display method of the Steam class, and press enter. Gen equal new Gen, and calling the display method with the object of the Gen class, and save it. Right click on the method overriding project, run Java application. Okay, look here, this is Maruti, this is Steam, and this is Gen. So in this video tutorial you well understand the overriding in Java with the practical demonstration. And thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.